How's it going? Christian here with Think Fabrications and FreelancingHobbyist.com. There's a video that I forgot to do, which happens to be the final video for these. These are the wedding candles, the reception gift or gifts that we gave to all our guests that came to our wedding. And yeah, I never did a final video. I did the two on how I made them, and then I finished them up. We had the wedding, and I just forgot about it, to be honest. So here they are. Very simple. I put a 2-inch round sticker. I think they were Avery. Got them at Staples. Printed out on the inkjet. Made the design in PowerPoint and used their own software to get the design onto the label mat. And then on the bottom, I did put a safety sticker just so the guests that never burned a candle, which I doubt there were any, knew how to properly burn candles. And then there's a little bit of twine on here that I put on there just for a little bit of aesthetics. But overall, they went over very well. Guests love them. Like the other videos, I hope I mentioned it, I made them in Macintosh Apple. They still smell amazing. One thing I would have changed is with the glass, I didn't add any UV protection into the candle. So there is some powder you can buy. I haven't used it before that will protect it from UV light. If these do sit out in the sun, so in the summer, if you leave them out on the counter and they're near a window or there's any UV light around, they will start to yellow. So it's not going to be as crisp white as the soy wax usually is. So that is something that I would change in the future, and that if you are making them, I would recommend playing around with. But other than that, they were a great wedding gift. I would recommend it. If you're going to do it, let me know down in the comments what you're planning on doing, what scent you're doing, and how it turns out and how your guests like them. Please feel free to subscribe to see more videos. Let me know down in the comments some other videos that you'd want to see me make and some other hobbies you'd like to see me get into. But other than that, there's your wedding candle video.